Hello, you're looking at a Dynapower rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is a 6,000 amp 24 volt rectifier. This thing's been completely gone through, fully tested. Currently I have it hooked up to a scope and a load bank. Once again, this is a 6,000 amp 24 volt. Here is the remote control. You can see the boards, fuses, and contactor. This is air cooled. It's a 480 volt 3-phase rectifier. Transformer, everything's in really good condition. It's been fully refinished. Overall dimensions are 52 inches long, 52 inches wide, 70 inches high. Weight is 3,606 pounds. Input amps are 224 amps. Once again, this is a Dynapower 6,000 amp 24 volt air cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. And we'll now operate it for you. Voltage and amperage coming up nicely on it. We got just over 2,400 amps. We're at almost 25.5 volts. Very nice wave pattern on the scope. If you're interested in a rectifier, any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.